Hi everyone, if you don't know me yet, my name is Ingrida and welcome to my channel, guys. So this video we're gonna be recreating this eyeliner makeup look. I really do liking it, and it's not difficult at all. It might look like a difficult eyeliner look, but it's not at all, I promise you. So I think without any further ado, we should jump into the tutorial. You probably noticed that my eyes are super hooded and this eye looks open and bigger and, well, nicer in general. But yeah, I already did eye makeup on this eye. I don't ever do this, but this time I thought, you know, why not? And I tried different styles to see which one looks better, and I didn't want to film it and clean it off, so I went with this one. So now, fingers crossed, we can match it up on this eye, but it's not as difficult as it looks. If it looks difficult, but it's not difficult, I promise. So I think we should just do it, right? So I zoomed in myself a little bit more so you can see me. I'm not wearing any foundation or anything yet, so sorry for the redness. My rosacea is crazy as always. So first, what we're gonna do, we're gonna create a little bit of a transition color on the eyelids so it's not as naked. So I'm gonna use the Makeup Revolution Ultra Eye Contour and Shade palette. I'm gonna go with this light gray color as my transition color. So basically, I'm gonna go higher than my crease is, just like this. And then a bit of the outer corner of the eye. And then I'm going with the eyeliner brush and with the same color in here and just going more precise as a cut crease kind of thing. So one color to be slightly bit darker, as you can see on this eye. Later I can always take this brush and come in and add a little bit more color after I apply the eyeliner, like in here for example. I can just make it more intense. And then I'm taking a little bit of this darker brown color and doing exactly the same thing. And then I'm just gonna blend it. I'm gonna take this color in here, which is like a light orangey, just on my finger, and pack all over my mobile lid. So next step is to apply the eyeliner and to match our eyes. So I got this two eyeliners by NYX Vivid, how do you pronounce it? So I got in the color Halo, the yellow one, and the blue one is Sapphire. First, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go with blue one, and later I'm gonna outline with the yellow. So I'm just taking the eyeliner brush by Real Techniques, and then just gonna draw the thick wing. Gonna add in the inner eye corner. Next thing we're gonna draw this big line in here. I'll take a little tiny bit of a product, so if I mess up I can easily clean it off. As you see, I have a tiny bit of a product and I'm drawing kinda like a stencil. Let's go in with the color. And as you see, I'm going in the little stroke motions. So now I'm just perfecting the line. I mean, just adding a little bit more color in it. So now I got to wait for blue color to dry before I can jump in with the yellow, because otherwise if I mix blue and yellow we're gonna get green color. So I'm gonna wait a few minutes to make sure this one is dry and then gonna go with the yellow. And when we're gonna do yellow, we're kinda gonna clean up the blue if that's any edges that we don't like or anything. So while I'm waiting for the blue liner to dry, I'm gonna do the lower lash line. So I'm going back to the same Makeup Revolution palette, Ultra Eye Contour, Light and Shade. And basically I'm gonna go with this color and this color mix. And then closer to a lash line, I'm gonna take this dark, kind of like a black color. It's not really black, it's dark brown. And I'm gonna go on the outer corner on the lower lash line, just a little bit to smudge the color out. Okay, so lower lash line eyeshadow is complete. I think we definitely will need that a little bit dark in here comparing to that eye, so I'm just using the same brush. Let's jump in with a yellow one. So I'm taking the same liner brush by Real Techniques and I'm gonna go and outline this blue line from inside. Now where the crease is kinda trickiest part, so try once again, look like from a bottom up and draw a line and later you can fix the edges. So we have one yellow line without any breaking. So as you see, I'm outlining the blue from the inside. So I'm coming back to the blue again. I'm gonna draw 3 little dots as in here. So next thing we're gonna do, we're gonna apply falsies. I'm gonna use the Azaredo cosmetic falsies in a style Vixen. And then I'm gonna add a little bit of mascara after it just to blend in my natural lashes with the falsies. You can do that before you apply the falsies. It's totally up to you, the way you prefer. By the way, if you haven't seen my video how to apply falsies or you're struggling applying falsies, there's a video. I'm gonna link it in here so you guys can check it out. I'm gonna use a Tarte Lifted Mascara as it is dark brown color rather than black, and I don't want the lower lashes to be too intense. And for the top lashes, I'm gonna go with the 4-in-1 Light Camera Lashes Mascara by Tarte. And the eye makeup look is complete. What do you guys think? Thank you so much for spending your time watching this tutorial. I really do hope you find this helpful. If so, don't forget to press the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more. Leave a comment down below and let me know what you think on it. If you're gonna go and recreate this makeup look, please tag me in your pictures as I would love to see that. And yeah, I can't wait to share more videos with you guys, and I'll see you very soon. So thank you so much for watching and bye!